Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Okay, so this is the quietest restaurant ever. In fact, even like the camera turning on just now was like beep beep beep, so loud. So, oh my gosh! But we are here in Coastal Kitchen. So I just want to scan the menu for you guys. The whole reason we're here is for, well, they only have filet mignon one night. So this grilled filet mignon. I've also heard that this burrata is amazing. Smoked tomato soup, yes. And yeah, so this is the menu. We sailed out. The ship is rocking and a rolling on tonight.
It is a moving, yes.
Yes.
It is. I was already like, am I sick? Or am I just drunk? I didn't know.
Well, to be fair, when we were leaving today, it was so windy, it felt like a hurricane. So I think the water is just choppy.
No.
Yeah, it's moving like as we sit here. But yeah, so here is the view. You guys can see, oh yeah, look at the pool. That lets you know how much it's moving. Do you see the water's like sloshing out? But you know what? Once you get out and start moving around, it's totally fine. There's Central Park down there, lime and coconut. We got set on the window. It's beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna see what we get. Decided that we were going to get she recommended the filet.
Yes. She recommended that, so I got the filet, you got the filet.
Yes. And then he got the salmon, and I got the tomato soup. And we really heard that she said the burratas are really amazing. And she's like, "Oh, I'll just bring one for the table." So we got
Those
that
are the
as well.
appetizers.
Yeah, so those are appetizers, and then the filet for the entree.
Yeah, filet for the entree, yeah. So we're gonna see how this tastes. I'm excited for my salmon.
Yeah.
Like, she didn't recommend it for me, but I'm like, I want it. But she doesn't eat raw fish, so she's like, I wouldn't recommend it because I don't eat raw fish. But she's like, try it. So I'm trying it.
Not for
David
me.
doesn't eat raw fish
No,
either.
but you know what? A lot of people do. Our friends so tonight we're eating. This is the one night we're eating by ourselves, only because our friends aren't staying in suites. Therefore, like Coastal Kitchen is only for suite guests, so we couldn't do it with them. But every other night we're gonna be with our friends. So, but we had to go tonight because everyone. Shout out to Serena in the Star Class group. Everyone raves about this filet. So. I mean, I had to. So, here we are. So, Jarrell already ate his. So, oh my gosh, our amazing genie, Shane, who is here, just popped in, like just popped up to say hello and check it out tomorrow. I got this tomato soup. So, I couldn't film it while it was happening because Shane was here and everything. But it comes in one way and then they pour it for you. And then this is the burrata to share. So yeah, this smoked tomato soup is amazing. It has like smoky things. Oh, thank you so much. Ooh. It's a Riesling, guys, a Riesling. It's delicious. This amazing smokiness to it. The burrata is smooth as silk. He loves the salmon, although guess who hates caviar? Guess who's not that fancy?
I love fish. I love like seafood, but this caviar on here, my first time having it, sorry. No. I just said it tasted like...
He's not a caviar person, apparently.
Fish, and it tastes like...
Just like very fishy.
Gutter snipe fish.
He's very fish. So he's not a caviar person. I'm not a caviar person, but he loves fish. The salmon...
Like,
capers.
Capers.
But it doesn't taste... How would it say capers? Capers is like a salty brine. That's a fish egg. Why? How would it... It is fish. It's baby fish. Oh my god. The infamous filet at Coastal that everyone says is incredible. Let's see. You gotta cut into it.
The baked potato first.
That is not a baked potato.
I mean the mashed potatoes.
Yes, a puree.
That was good.
Yeah.
The sauce is...
The béarnaise sauce, yes. And then those are, I think these are...
Potato chips.
No, I think they're garlic chips.
Are they? Check.
Let's see.
Could be a Lay's. Could be a Lay's with garlic. I don't know. Tastes good though.
Let's see. Oh, that looks
I
perfect.
got a medium. David got a medium.
Rare. Medium rare.
Medium rare.
Yeah. Oh, with the sauce? Let's see. Oops. Look at that face.
That's dope.
Look at that face of ecstasy.
Very good.
Yes. Would you recommend?
Highly.
Hi.
Highly good.
I'll stop talking to you so you can talk and answer your mouth. All right, so that might be one of the best fillets I've ever had. It's amazing. It's like butter, melts in your mouth. That sauce, so good. Highly recommend. Like it's first night of sailing. Usually that fillet because the menu's ever changing, but it's a must. We ordered the cheesecake, but they gave us a caramel and chocolate drizzle. Literally dying. It looks so amazing. So that's like a really good cheesecake. Definitely got to see how it actually tastes. It's giving like real like kind of like junior cheesecake, not the kind of like made with gelatin sort of thing.
It's a real cheesecake. Very good. Very rich.
Love that.
Very decadent, and the chocolate is like, it just complements it very well.
Yes.
It's good.
So if you're a cheesecake fan, Golden Girls, this is it. Oh my gosh. Look everyone. So we were up here and then look, beach bags. Look, he left this for us. It says, "Dear David and Jarrell, wishing you an amazing evening. Have a great rest of the perfect day at Coco Key. I've added a beach bag that could become very handy for tomorrow."
Cute.
I love them.
Very cute.
Ugh, I just love them. And I just love Shane.
He's
Yay. We, oh my gosh, we're so tired. But we are off to Vintages for the LGBT meetup to meet our friends. And then that's at 10. Oh, time check, 9:52. So, and then we're gonna have a little cocktail there for a glass of wine, whatever. And then we are gonna meet Shane for the ice show we're meeting him at 10:30 and the show is at 10:45. So, yay, ice show. Central Park at night is stunning and it's a bit of a wind tunnel, but it feels amazing. Oh, it's just, so this is the Rising Tide bar. It's just up and then it goes down.
Oh, nice. Does it feel like you're on a ship? Feel like a
No,
park?
it's just like you're just,
Feel like a little like, I don't know, like a grove or something like in the city.
exactly, like one of those like amazing malls, you know? So, oh, did I feel, is it, it's raining?
It's raining.
It's
Ooh.
raining! Oh my gosh. Just left the Trellis Bar and we are headed to the Studio B to meet Shane. Oh, there he is! No, we're here.
His fairy tales came from the deep emotions of his own personal experiences, and he brought them to life vividly in his unique storytelling style. Hans Christian Andersen's stories have touched the hearts of people all over the world. Who could forget such classics as The Snow Queen, The Red Shoes, The Ugly Duckling, The Little Mermaid, or The Emperor's New Clothes? Oh, here he is. Let's just step back and join the fantastic journey of his brilliant mind.
Dreamers have mountains they will climb. There are dreamers.
That ice show,
I enjoyed it. There was some
incredible.
questionable costuming.
Yes.
But other than that, great artist. Some great performance.
The fact that they can do that in the middle of the ocean when literally we could barely stand up at certain times, we're like, you know, it's just incredible. They're just athletes, like literally
Yeah.
landing like double toe loops, like on the middle of the ocean. It's incredible. So we're gonna show you guys really quickly Jeremy and Will's cabin, their stateroom. They have a balcony.
Oh, yeah, Nemo's
She
right
found
there.
here, no.
She's
Right
right on the
exciting
corner.
is around the corner.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah, there's a nice picture of Nemo around the corner.
Oh, I
You want to go
love
check it?
that.
We will check
We'll
it
definitely
out.
check it
Oh,
out.
yeah, and if you go farther
Is
down.
he at 42 Wallaby Way? Sydney?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God, yes.
It's perfect.
It's another Disney.
Oh my gosh. Oh yes. What was she talking about? Anyone?
Oh, the Nemo.
Okay.
Are we
Oh,
BoosCruizing?
love.
Hi,
Yes,
BoosCruizing.
hi,
Hi,
BoosCruise. We've been BoosCruising.
I
It's
know,
just
I just,
intermittently.
But now I'm on camera, so I have to,
This is
like, make it
intimate,
good,
honey. So okay, so we're giving that fabulous. Oh, we got the couch for seating.
Our bathroom is actually bigger than a lot of the other cabins.
Oh, and look at all this little storage you guys have
We have-
utilized.
yes.
Oh,
we have
come on.
really large
That is oh, I love the.
go.
I do like the backsplash.
Yes.
Oh
it's quite
yes,
nice.
come on, come on, come on. Oh, they separated your beds. Perfect. Very,
Yes.
very Annie.
It's a hard knock life.
It is a hard knock live.
I will do a
Hey,
dance number on top of this bed. If you
please do.
can.
Oh, this is a nice sized balcony.
Oh wow. Yes. No. I'm not.
Oh my gosh, we're not that far from land. You can see
Wow, look at
a little
that
bit.
dog.
Oh, this is my favorite view.
Probably the keys then, I guess, that we're passing, right?
I would guess so, yeah. My favorite
Nice.
view, guys. One of my favorite
Wow.
views. Oh, this is fabulous. This is fabulous.
Welcome to our abode.
Yeah.